In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can start dropshipping on eBay from Walmart. Now, this is an easy tutorial, guys. I'm going to be showing you every single thing you need to know, including what you need to do if someone opens a dispute on eBay and the item is coming from Walmart. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can handle returns, how you can talk to customers, what you should do after you place an order on Walmart. Now, I'm going to explain, guys, every single thing you need to know to start this business. Now, after you create, guys, your account on eBay, of course, you have already did that. That's why you are watching this video. So what you need to do, guys, you want to open your Walmart account, and the first thing you want to do, guys, is to find a winning product. And I'm going to be showing you other things in this video, so that like some mistakes that you should never do if you are dropshipping from Walmart. Okay, now if you just take like every single product on Walmart, for example, if you go to Walmart and you list, for example, any product you can find here, that's not how it works. Okay, you can just go and list this exact product on your eBay account. You can just click on sell and then you can list this exact product, but that's not how it works, guys. I wish it was this easy, but it's a little bit harder. Not like hard, it's just a little bit. Okay, I'm going to explain this to you and I'm going to show you guys how you can make this easier. Now, the first thing you want to do, guys, is to find a winning product. Okay, now finding a winning product is not that hard. This is like the only hard part about dropshipping, that like in general, is finding winning products, especially if you want to dropship on eBay. So finding winning products is not that hard. Like I said, you want to just search for a random product on Walmart. You want to go and search for any product. For example, let's just get an example with the gaming desk. Okay, now the reason why I told you guys to search for a random product is we want to find our competitors on eBay, because if a product on Walmart has like 1,000 sales, but on eBay nobody cares about that specific product, then why like waste time listing that product on eBay if nobody cares about that product on eBay? Even if people buy it from Walmart, but it's not proven to work on eBay. So the reason, guys, why you need to search for a specific product here is to find a random product on Walmart, and you want to search for that random product on Walmart and see your competitors. Okay, you want to find people that are dropshipping from Walmart too, and you go to their store and you copy what they are doing. Okay, now for example, just go with this product. Okay, now I'm going to copy the title. Now keep in mind that this is the only hard part, guys, is to find your competitors. It will take you, for example, 2 hours to find, for example, 10 products if you are a beginner, if you are just starting out. But for people who are experienced, it will take them less, because they know that they do everything quickly, you know. Now if you are just starting, it will take you like, for example, 3 hours to find 10 products. So don't give up. Don't give up easily. Now you want to copy, like I said, any title on Walmart, and you want to search for that on eBay. Now the reason why we want to search for that on eBay, we want to find people who are dropshippers. Now for example, this product, as you can see, it looks like this. It looks like the same. Yeah, if you scroll down, yes, this is the exact product. This one is the exact product, I believe. The colors are different. Now, as you can see, that this guy probably is a dropshipper from Walmart. Now, what you need to do, like, this item doesn't have any sale. So if this item has, like, for example, 4 sales or 3 sales, I would definitely list this exact product. I'm going to search for it on Walmart and I'm going to list it because it's proven to work. It has 3 sales on eBay. Now this product currently doesn't have any sale. I'm just going to go to their store. I want to see what this guy is selling. Like I said, even if you don't find the exact product, you want to go to their store and see what they are selling. Okay, you want to scroll down. After you scroll down, you want to click on see all. And after you click on see all, you want to scroll down again and click on sold items. Now the eBay will show us only items that are sold. Okay, you want to click on sold items, and for example, this item. Now you want to search for this item on eBay. As you can see, just search for it. Let me do that right now. I'm going to copy the title. Okay, I'm going to go to Walmart. And as you can see, this is the product. It looks the same. Yeah, it looks the same. Now what you need to do, guys, after you find the exact product, you want to list this exact product. You want to just download the pictures and you want to copy the title of eBay seller. As you can see, it has 2 sales, and he is charging $24, but keep in mind he is also charging $51 in shipping. So like I said, like, he doesn't offer free shipping. If he offers free shipping, then he is going to increase the price of the item so that he can make a profit, okay? Because of course he is not going to pay $51 for shipping. He is going to pay less for this for shipping, okay? Now, even if you see here only 24 hours, like I said, he is charging more for shipping. He is making money when someone buys this with like he is charging more for shipping. He is also including his profit in the shipping, okay? But for me, I always offer free shipping and I increase the price of the item a little bit. Now, after you find an item that has at least 2 sales, okay? It has 2 sales, and list that exact item. You want to go to Walmart and find that exact item and list it on eBay. So if you don't know how to list, it's very easy. After you learn this, you just want to go to YouTube and search for how to list an item from Walmart to eBay, and you will find a lot of videos that can explain to you that, okay? Now, if you are wondering what you need to do if someone opens a case against you. Now, if someone opens a dispute on eBay, you don't always have to refund them. You just want to talk to them. Hi, I can offer you $10 and close the dispute. And most buyers are happy to like, even if the item is coming from Walmart, like even if they recognize that the item is coming from Walmart, you just want to tell them, hi, I just ran out of stock and I don't want to cancel the order. I was like, yeah, I have to buy this item from another supplier, and then that's it. That's why we used Walmart to even if something like this happen, like most of the time this doesn't happen at all, like 99% of the time this doesn't happen, and nobody is going to open a dispute against you. They are going to receive their item, they are going to leave a positive feedback on your store, so you won't have any problem, okay? Now what you need to do, guys, you want to drop a like on this video, and there is a part 2 of this in my friend. He made this video. Click the video on the screen and you will be able to learn the other steps. Now I showed you guys the basic thing, how this thing works, and you want to click the video in the screen to learn the last thing, like the other information about this. So drop a like on this video and make sure that you click on the video on the screen right now. So see you guys in the next video.